When I was invited to try out the Nortiv 8 women's waterproof hiking shoes, I jumped at the chance. These shoes have been a great addition to my shoe collection, and I'm going to tell you all the reasons why. First off, I love how they fit, I love how they feel. They are super comfy and they have fantastic arch support. They're really easy to slide on and off, and it's pretty cool that even the tongue of the shoe is meant to keep out debris. So these are great if you are walking outside, if you are hiking, hitting those trails. I love wearing these shoes for that reason. The shoes are also waterproof, which makes them great for wearing outside. And they're super supportive. Like I said, I have issues with my arch support in my feet, so I always need super supportive shoes, especially when I'm going outside walking or running. The soles on the bottom have great grips, and they are also slip resistant, which makes it even safer while I'm walking around. Overall, I would highly recommend these Nortiv 8 women's waterproof hiking shoes if you like to walk outdoors, hike outside, or really just love to get that outdoor time. These shoes are a great solution to make sure that you are supported, you are comfortable, and that you're prepared for all types of weather. Highly recommend.